Hello, YouTube. Thought we'd do another video here. We're going to make this one part 3. This is the, does more wattage give you penetration or distance? And I'm in town, as you can see. There's a ton of buildings. I do have the graph up also. The land terrain, which does not include the buildings. I'm about 2.9 miles away from the repeater antenna as the crow flies. I'm using my homemade antenna that has the SWR about 1.2. It's winter time, so there's no leaves on the trees. As you can probably see, the trees here in the background, there's no leaves on them. Kind of a warmer day out here in Wisconsin. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the amplifier and the handheld. The handheld I have on there is the Retevis RT85, which is this model, which we're going to use. I'm going to do the test with the amplifier, and then I'm going to unhook the coax, the antenna, and I'm going to hook it direct to the handheld that I just showed you, and we're going to see what the difference is. I do have an analog signal to noise ratio meter on here now, along with the S meter. Also to the right of that SNR meter is the bar graph of the signal to noise ratio. So you can read this number twice if you choose to read an actual number and not try to read the needle. It's off to the right-hand side. So I do have that. So that's about it. Like I said, 2.9 miles away as the crow flies. I'm going to start the car here to get full wattage out. We're going to see what this amp puts out here. It looks like, let's do a quick test here. And I'm going to check the wattage here and let you know. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Radio check. Radio check. Okay, you heard that. Let's check to see what the wattage was on that. And the wattage on that is 29, I think 0.7 it looks like. So about 30 watts we're putting out. Okay, now as you see here, don't go by on the meter here. We want to go by the first reading, not the second, because the second's going to be the repeater, and that's going to peg the needle. Let's do this one more time. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Radio check. Radio check. Not bad. We got a lot of buildings in a way. Like I said, along with the terrain is not very good. We'll do it one more time. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks like we get about an S3 on that. We're going to turn this off. Normally I'd pause the video, but I've learned already if I pause the video, it messes up the audio. So I'm going to quickly get this handheld ready here. And we're going to do the same thing with the handheld. We're going to turn the car off, actually. We don't need the car on. And I'm going to unhook the antenna, my outside antenna. And we're going to do the same test here. I want to get this adapter put on this handheld here quick. And let me unhook this. Okay. See, we're taking that. We're going to hook it direct to the handheld. And I will show you this in a minute. Get everything all nice and tight here. Okay. So now we have the handheld hooked up to the outside antenna. Same antenna that was hooked up to the amplifier. Let's see what this thing says for S readings. Here we go. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, not as good audio as you heard, scratchy. It looks like we did a little bit, little teeny tiny bit better. Looks like to be a little above S3. Let's try it one more time. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it looks like after it settles down, it's about the exact same reading as I had with the amplifier. If you let it settle down, we'll do it one more time. But the audio is not very good. I definitely hear better on the amplifier setup. Let's do this one more time. Radio check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, definitely not very good on the handheld. And it does look like I was wrong there. It's exactly the same. After it settles down, it's the exact same reading, 1 bar above S3, which is the same as the amplifier. So, again, my amplifier is not giving me more bars. It just sounds like it's penetrating the buildings better. You can hear the audio difference. I'll do the handheld one more time. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40. Very hard to make out. Definitely, it looks like to be the same exact S reading as I had with the amplifier. I think we're going to hook the amplifier back up. It looks like to be identical. Let's hook up this amplifier one more time, just for any, we don't have any doubt. I'll have to start the car up to make sure we get full power, but that's okay. Let's hook this baby back up. We're getting about 29 watts. So yeah, so let's do this one more time and look at the S meter too. And you can see I'm transmitting here. You see a red light. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, definitely sounds better. And it looks to be the exact same S readings. So yeah, it's looking like this thing does penetration better, to be honest with you. What do you guys think? Post any comments or questions you have down below. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.